GSIS offers 5 various retirement programs for all government employees. So in today's video, I will explain concisely and give example to this topic para naman clear ang understanding natin sa offer ng GSIS about these 5 retirement programs na gi-offer nila sa mga government employees na plano mag-retire young or retire early. Okay? So, are you ready to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. So, it's high time to know what are these 5 retirement programs of GSIS. So, let's start with number 1. Retirement under Republic Act 8291. Ano po ito? Answer, Retirement under Republic Act 8291 is a 5-year lump sum or cash payment with instant pension. Simply said, ito yung cash payment, no? Na 5 years sa basic monthly pension natin. So automatic yan, bigyan tayo ng good for 5 years na monthly pension in a cash basis. Then ang monthly pension natin will start after 5-year term. So yan po ang Retirement under Republic Act 8291. Moving forward to Retirement under Republic Act 660. Ano po ito? Answer, Retirement under Republic Act 660, also called Magic 87. This option provides both annuity and lifetime pension. So lifetime pension po ito ng member, no, ng GSIS. Ma-stop lang po ito if mamatay na po yung member. Yan po ang ibig sabihin ng lifetime pension. So after mamatay yung member, what I know is yung spouse or dependents na po ang mag-receive ng monthly pension ng member. If I'm not mistaken, 50% ng basic monthly pension. Tama po? So, what is retirement program number 3? Retirement under Republic Act 1616. Ano po ito? Answer, Retirement under Republic Act 1616 is a refund of GSIS premiums and gratuity payment from employers. So mga kapwa ko employees, mga sirs and ma'am, in my next video, gawan ko po ito ng detailed na video, detailed information about this. So next video ko na po ito i-explain completely and concisely. Okay? So please watch my next video. So number 4, retirement program na gi-offer ng GSIS is Retirement under Republic Act 7699. Ito po yung pinakamagandang retirement program offer sa mga empleyado kung ako yung papiliin. Ano ba ito? Answer, Republic Act 7699 refers to portability law, combining SSS and GSIS periods with paid premiums to qualify for retirement programs offered by both pension funds. Simply said, kung kulang yung payment natin sa GSIS, di ba, dapat may 15 years tayo na monthly contribution para mag-qualify tayo sa monthly pension at age 60, right? For example, kulang po yan. 10 years lang po na contribute natin. And then meron tayong 5 years contribution sa SSS. Under this portability law or Republic Act 7699, pwede pala i-combine ang SSS contribution and GSIS contribution para mag-qualify yung member na mag-pension siya at age 60. Napakagandang retirement program po ito ng GSIS. Ito yung perfect sa mga employees na galing sa private company and then nalipat sa government offices. Vice versa, government offices, then nalipat sa private offices. Pwede pala i-combine ang contribution payments para mag-qualify for pension at age 60. Okay? So, our last retirement program na gi-offer ng GSIS is what we call retirement under Presidential Decree 1146. Ano po ito? Answer, retirement under the Presidential Decree 1146. Only those who have been in government service after May 31, 1977, but before June 24, 1997, may avail of this retirement program. Retirement under PD 1146 gives members a choice between a basic monthly pension and cash payment. So very clear mga sirs and ma'am, hindi lahat maka-avail nito. Only those member or employee na merong government service after May 31, 1977 and before June 24, 1997. Sila yung entitled nitong retirement under Presidential Decree 1146. So may choice sila between basic monthly pension and cash payment. So, okay. All right. So, now we know na meron palang 5 retirement programs ang GSIS. So, punta na tayo sa GSIS office to inquire more about this and para ma-enjoy natin ang benefits o retirement benefits na ito if mag-retire na tayo sa government office. So mga sirs and ma'am, if you like our video today, please hit the subscribe button below and notification bell para updated kayo sa next video ko. Okay, so thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.